channel. Today I will teach you how you can make Chapli Kebab at home. So basically this is the amount of meat that you need. It's half kg, or you can have 1 kg if you want. If it depends on the number of people you're serving. So half kg is the requirement for if you're making Chapli Kebab for a number of 6 people. So for that you need half kg meat. This is camel meat, and you need some pomegranate seeds, some cumin, black pepper, salt, some mixed herbs, or maybe chaat masala if you have. Then you can add the side ingredient as chilies for those people who like really good amount of spices in food. So we will mix all of these into the meat. So all you have to do is grind all of the ingredients that I've shown you, so that it makes your kebab more smooth and less chewy. Now that all the ingredients are into the meat, I'm going to mix all of them and it's ready to be cooked. So as you can see that I am making it in small circles. You just have to do it quite nicely and slowly. So one thing that you should not forget, that while you're getting your keema done of whatever the meat you're having, or the beef, or if you're using chicken as your keema, so don't forget to add garlic and ginger paste in it, so that it removes any unpleasant smell of the raw meat. Now it's time for frying. Make sure to cook it on both sides until it's smoky. Goodbye for now, and do like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content.